how to post anonymously in any Facebook group. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to the SR Tech, another new video. It's me Sohel Rahman here, and you all are watching the SR Tech YouTube channel. So if you want to post anonymously in any Facebook group, so first, what is this anonymously post? So you can see here, you have seen in many Facebook groups, if you are joined in any Facebook group in Facebook, so you have seen this kind of post, and in this post you can see here guys, in this above section it is written anonymously person. So this means when someone use this feature anonymously post by uploading their any post in Facebook group, when they turn on this anonymously post button, when they turn on, then you can't be able to view their name, Facebook account name and profile picture. So they can easily write something or post anything in Facebook group without disclosing their Facebook account name and profile picture. So how can you also do this? How can you also turn on this anonymous post feature, and then you can easily upload or text any post in any Facebook group without disclosing your name and profile picture. So without wasting any time, we're gonna start this video. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like for this kind of amazing and simple tricks. So without wasting any time, let's move to my Android mobile screen. So guys, to post anonymously on any Facebook group, so simply just open your Facebook application, and then just you have to click on three lines. And after you click on three lines, now simply you can see here groups option. So just you have to click on this groups, and after you click on groups, then you will see all that groups which you are a member of, that group which you have joined. All that group list will be shown here. So here are all the groups name. For example, I want to post something in this could be not memes hub. Okay, for example, I want to post in this memes hub. I just click on memes hub, and now guys, after you click here, now you can see here one option, anonymous post. So guys, just you have to click on this anonymous post. Simply tap on this, same like incognito. So this icon, just you have to click on this anonymous post, and after you click on here anonymous post, now you can see here guys this option, make my post anonymous. So just you have to enable this option, you have to turn on this option, and then now you can write anything what you want to post in this group. Yes, see 2084. Okay, for example, I type here see 2083. So after you wrote anything in this group, or if you want to select any photo or post, so what you want to post, you can do that, but make sure you have to turn on this option anonymous post. And after you just enable, just click on this post button. Okay, just click on post, and after you click on this post button, then this post will be uploaded in this group, but no any member of this group can see your Facebook account name and profile picture. So this is same like incognito mode of Google. You can use and surf safely in this Facebook group. Just you have to click on this anonymous post. Okay, this is the option you got in this any Facebook group. Just you have to turn on this anonymous post, and then that's done. So guys, this is a very easy trick to enable this anonymous post, to post anything anonymously in any Facebook group. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. So bye bye guys.